Hey everybody, it's Keith with L1 Automotive Training. Packing up for the day. It's Friday, January the 7th. No idea when this will air. Got a lot of weird stuff working on, changing some intros and new logos for the training company, everything. Thought I'd let you know what's going on in the shop. So we've got this 14 Chevy Cruze, right-hand side park lamps, our in-op. So the shop called, said, hey, we got a BCM that we just replaced for the park lamps. Can you come program it? Sure. They bought it on Amazon or eBay. Part number was correct. Came in an AC Delco box, had the hologram. Programmed the BCM, same exact problem. Right-hand side park lamps didn't work, so they said, well, we'll ship it to you and you can diagnose it. We got this Malibu here, the DC to DC converter module inside the car is got like a ton of water damage, all corroded up, so that's here to get that repaired. We got this Ranger that we've not been able to replicate the concern. It gets a intermittent theft light. Got a couple hours into this already trying to replicate it. Came here, got dropped off on the tow truck. It's a customer car. It was doing it immediately. Went to go try to test a few things and it started working, and it's worked ever since. Other things that we got going on that are shop things. This is not Zach's van. This is another van. We cannot get a new Ford van right now, or really any new van. So we decided we would put some money into some used vans, roll with those for a couple years, till mid 2022, beginning of 2023, when all this craziness subsides and we're able to get some new vans, because Nissan's not going to make the vans that we use anymore. So we've got to pick a new platform to make some kind of standardized diagnosis van from. We got 13 F-150. We're actually doing real work on this car, doing oil pan gasket, rear main seal, and then we did a couple flushes and stuff on this thing. Had the rear end fluid was nasty, 160,000 miles, never been replaced. We picked up a compressor because we needed one. We really didn't plan on really getting a big compressor in here at all. And this is not a big one. It's a little 60-gallon DeWalt. It's rather inexpensive. One of the most inexpensive 60 gallons we can get. We did use the Rapid Air kit. That top line is it's HDPE plastic with an aluminum shield over the top of it and another layer of HDPE, so it's kind of like rigid, but it's got some cool fittings. They're just compression type fittings, and then put in a Flexzilla hose reel because we really like the Flexzilla hoses. What else did we get around the shop? Oh, we set up a scan tool cart, which is currently being used as a table. Apparently it's got crap everywhere. But it's got a couple of our Autels up here. Matter of fact, that one needs to get shut off. It's Friday night. I'm leaving for the weekend to hopefully not come back up here. Kind of cool for the guys. We set it up where we've got a bunch of the import tools up here. Got some domestic stuff up here. We got J2534s here. Looks like our MasterTech 2 is missing. It must be out. And our Cardac 3, one of our... Oh, they're over on the table over there. Oh, that thing's a disaster. Oh, we got a bunch of adapters and such. Some aftermarket tools, Autologic and that. And then some old stuff. So that's pretty cool. We started getting that stuff so we can get a bunch of the scan tools there. We can get the cart that's turned into a Diag cart. It was a scan tool cart. Other cool stuff we've got going on is we're playing with the Maximus 4.0 from Matco. It's a launch tool, rebranded by them. The hardware's like super big and hefty, but it's awkward to hold. I found it. It's over here on the table with the Cardac 3 and for the shop. Other fun stuff. We got some other cool tools too. Got the ThinkCar X5 and the ThinkCar X10. Yeah, bunch of fun stuff going on at the shop. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone had a great Christmas, a great New Year's, and thought I'd show you guys how the shop's coming along. It's a total disaster right now, and we're leaving it just like this as a total disaster for Friday, just because, well, we're all ready to go home. So have fun, stay dirty, do all those things. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. All the normal stuff I say. And I hope everyone has a great weekend, great rest of the day, and we'll see you next time.